Hello, welcome back to INCG Max. Today, we're looking on logical question. Solve x belongs to real numbers. Cube root of x square plus 3x plus 2 into cube root of x plus 1 minus cube root of x plus 2 is equal to 1 now. So, some logic is there. As you are going to solve this problem, pause the video for 10 seconds and try it. Okay. Uh, Here, how to solve this problem? So cube root of is given here cubing on both sides. If you do, it will take more time to complete this problem. So here we are going for substitution model. You are doing some substitution and then you'll solve the problem very easily. So watch up to the end. You'll get a nice solution. So here first of all given cube root of x square plus 3x plus 2 into cube root of x plus 1 minus cube root of x plus 2 is equal to 1. Now here by observing this you can write as factors x cube plus sorry x square plus 3x plus 2 can be written as x plus 1 into x plus 2. Now I am writing it as cube root of x plus 1 into x plus 2 cube root of x plus 1 into x plus 2 into cube root of x plus 1 minus cube root of x plus 2. So here the logic is, here you are writing the value of 1 as x plus 2 minus of x plus 1 minus of x plus 1. So if you open the bracket, you will get 1 now. Now here you will take substitution. Let a is equal to x plus 1 whole power 1 by 3. B is equal to x plus 2 whole power 1 by 3. So this is the logic here to know here. Adding x plus 2 minus x plus 1 will get 1 now. Now the equation will become now AB into A minus B is equal to B cube minus A cube. So from here you can get A cube is equal to x plus 1, B cube is equal to x plus 2. From here cubing on both sides you will get this value. A cube is equal to x plus 1, B cube is equal to x plus 2. Substituting here you will get a new equation. Now AB of A minus B is equal to minus of A cube minus B cube. You are taking minus common here. Now AB of A minus B into, here you are applying one formula, A cube minus B cube, A minus B into A square plus AB plus B square. Now sending all the terms to one side, AB of A minus B plus A minus B of A square plus AB plus B square equal to 0. Now here you can take A minus B common, bracket AB plus a square plus ab plus b square equal to 0. Now here you'll get a minus b into a square plus 2ab plus b square equal to 0. Now a minus b into a plus b whole square equal to 0. Now from above you can say that a minus b equal to 0 or a plus b whole square equal to 0. That implies a plus b equal to 0. From here you'll get a is equal to b or a is equal to minus b. Now we are getting two cases. So first case, case 1, a is equal to b. Now what is a value? A value is x plus 1 whole power 1 by 3 is equal to x plus 2 whole power 1 by 3. So from this you can write x plus 1 is equal to x plus 2. So but here no solution. So x will get cancelled here, so you won't get any solution in this case. Now we'll go to case 2. So here a is equal to minus b. So x plus 1 whole cube whole power 1 by 3 is equal to minus x plus 2 whole to the power of 1 by 3. So here now here you can write it as x plus 1 whole power 1 by 3 is equal to minus of x plus 2 whole power 1 by 3. So cubing on both sides. So x plus 1 is equal to minus of x plus 2. So x plus 1 plus x plus 2 is equal to 0. So 2x is equal to minus 3, x equal to minus 3 by 2 is the solution now. I hope you understood the video. Thank you for watching INCG Max Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. I believe this information was valuable. If you think so, please do consider subscription. Or if you like this information, please do subscribe. Thank you.